In the shadows of Colombia's mountains, a man rose through power and fear. He built an empire worth billions and challenged a nation. His name, Pablo Escobar.
Born in 1949, Escobar grew up in poverty, but ambition drove him beyond limits. Petty crime became his first step into a darker world.
By the 1970s, cocaine demand exploded. Escobar seized the moment, forming the Medellin Cartel, a business built on drugs and power. He transformed trafficking into an empire. Planes, boats, millions per day. His cartel controlled most of the world's cocaine. With billions came power. Escobar lived like a king, surrounded by luxury. But power demanded control. To the poor, he was a hero. He built homes, gave money, earned loyalty. But behind kindness was fear.
Escobar ruled with terror.
Plata o plomo.
Take the money or take a bullet.
Colombia fell into chaos. Bombings, assassinations, war. The hunt for Escobar began. He surrendered, but built his own prison, La Catedral, a fortress of control. Even behind bars, he ruled. But the empire began to fall. Allies turned enemies. Escobar became the most hunted man alive. But on December 2nd, 1993, on a rooftop, Pablo Escobar was killed. His death ended a man, but not the empire. The drug trade lived on, stronger and more dangerous than ever.